The DJI Osmo Pocket series has long been a favorite among content creators, vloggers, and filmmakers who need a compact yet powerful camera to capture stunning visuals on the go. Now, with the highly anticipated launch of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, things are about to get even more exciting. Unlike its predecessors, which offered incremental upgrades, the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a true game-changer in the world of portable cameras. Packed with cutting-edge technology, significant design improvements, and powerful new features, the Osmo Pocket 4 is poised to set new benchmarks for usability, performance, and overall video quality. A design overhaul for enhanced usability. One of the first noticeable changes in the Osmo Pocket 4 is its design overhaul. Leaks suggest that the Pocket 4 will be slightly larger and will weigh around 190 grams. While this may seem like a small increase, the additional weight could be a strategic decision by DJI to accommodate a larger, more versatile display. Rumors indicate that the Pocket 4 will feature a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, a notable upgrade from the 2-inch screen found on the Pocket 3. This isn't just about size. The rumored resolution of 480 x 800 pixels and an 800 nit brightness level will make framing shots much easier, even in bright outdoor conditions. This improvement is especially beneficial for those who have struggled with screen visibility in strong sunlight. Additionally, DJI is reportedly refining the ergonomics of the Pocket 4, incorporating enhanced grip textures and a more intuitive button layout. These changes could make handling the device far more comfortable, particularly for users who shoot for extended periods. Vloggers, travel filmmakers, and content creators who rely on smooth usability will appreciate these thoughtful enhancements. Major camera upgrades for stunning visuals internally. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to come equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens. This represents a substantial leap forward in terms of image quality. A larger sensor allows for superior low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and enhanced detail retention. Whether you're capturing cityscapes at night or shooting in direct sunlight, this sensor upgrade should result in sharper, more vibrant footage. ISO flexibility is another highlight. Reports suggest that for video, the Pocket 4 will offer an ISO range from 50 to 6,400, while still photography could push that ceiling to 16,000. This extended range ensures adaptability across a variety of lighting conditions without introducing excessive noise. Furthermore, DJI is rumored to be prioritizing advanced color science with support for 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M, and HDR recording. This means filmmakers will have significantly greater control in post-production, allowing for richer color, grading, and enhanced creative flexibility. Next-level video capabilities. Perhaps one of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Pocket 4 is its improved video capabilities. While the Pocket 3 already impressed with its 4K slow-motion recording, the Pocket 4 could take things a step further by offering 4K video at an astonishing 240 frames per second. If these rumors are accurate, it would double the slow-motion potential of its predecessor, unlocking new creative possibilities for action sequences, nature shots, and cinematic storytelling. Under the hood, an upgraded processor is also expected. A more powerful chipset would enable better computational photography, faster data processing, and real-time HDR previews. For content creators who need to edit and upload their videos quickly, these enhancements could significantly improve workflow, efficiency, and reduce turnaround time between shooting and publishing. Revolutionary autofocus and tracking. Autofocus has been a critical point of discussion in previous Osmo Pocket models, and it looks like DJI is addressing this concern head-on. The Pocket 4 is rumored to feature phase detection autofocus, PDAF, combined with eye tracking technology. This would result in much faster and more accurate subject tracking, significantly reducing focus hunting issues. If these improvements perform as expected, capturing sharp, well-focused footage, even in dynamic environments, will become far easier. DJI's ActiveTrack technology has always been a standout feature, and if leaks about ActiveTrack 7.0 are accurate, we may see the most advanced and responsive subject tracking system yet. This could be a game changer for vloggers, athletes, and filmmakers who frequently record high-motion scenes. By integrating phase detection with enhanced eye tracking, the Pocket 4 could offer some of the best tracking performance seen in a compact camera. Battery life and heat management enhancements. Battery life is another crucial factor for any portable camera, and reports suggest that the Pocket 4 will feature significant improvements in this department. DJI is said to be implementing a more efficient power management system, allowing for longer recording times without compromising performance. Additionally, fast charging capabilities are expected to see a boost, with some sources claiming a full charge could be achieved in just 25 minutes using DJI's proprietary PD charger. This would be a major improvement over the Pocket 3's 32-minute charge time, ensuring users can stay on the move without extended downtime. Overheating has been a challenge for many compact cameras, particularly when recording at high resolutions and frame rates. DJI appears to be addressing this issue with improved heat dissipation mechanisms. If the Pocket 4 indeed features advanced thermal efficiency, it would enable longer recording sessions without interruptions, a critical factor for content creators who need extended shooting durations. Advanced stabilization for smoother footage. One of DJI's strongest areas of expertise is stabilization, and the Pocket 4 is expected to refine its already impressive gimbal stabilization system. Leaks suggest that DJI may integrate advanced electronic stabilization algorithms to complement its mechanical gimbal. The result? Even smoother footage, especially when capturing high-motion scenes such as action sports, handheld walk-and-talk shots, or fast-moving subjects. Pricing and release dates with any major upgrade, the Pocket 4 is expected to come with a higher price tag than its predecessor. Current leaks suggest a starting price of $699 for the standard model, with a creator combo version priced at $790. While this represents an increase over the Pocket 3, the improvements in design, performance, and functionality could easily justify the cost, especially for serious creators looking for a professional-grade tool in a portable package. So when can we expect this game-changing device to hit the market? If DJI follows its usual release pattern, the Pocket 4 could launch sometime in late 2026 or early 2027. While that may seem like a long wait, the rumored features suggest it will be worth the anticipation. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 worth the hype? If these leaks and rumors hold true, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is set to redefine what's possible in the world of compact cameras. From its larger display and ergonomic refinements, to its superior sensor, enhanced video capabilities, and smarter autofocus, this device has the potential to be the ultimate portable content creation tool. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, traveler, or someone who simply wants top-tier video quality without carrying bulky gear, the Pocket 4 appears to be a revolutionary upgrade over its predecessor. Of course, until DJI officially confirms these details, we'll have to take all of this with a grain of salt. However, if history is any indication, DJI's next-generation pocket camera is likely to set new industry standards. Now, all that's left to do is wait for DJI's official announcement. If past releases are anything to go by, it's going to be well worth the anticipation. Stay tuned for more updates right here on Technology in the Future. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest tech news and reviews.